Hello all, welcome to HTML tutorials. This is Anil in class 5. Today I am going to teach you a program on table in HTML. As we all know, table in the sense it's a group of or a collection of rows and columns. For example, I can show you a table. See, this is called a table. With this horizontal line is called a row, and this vertical group of lines are called as columns. This is called a column and this is called a row. So group of all these rows, this is first row, combination of first and second, third, fourth, fifth. These is called combination of rows. In the same way, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column, and this is fourth column. A table can have n number of columns and n number of rows. Combination of columns and rows is called a table. So in HTML, how to create an HTML table? We have a table tag. This is called the table tag. By using table tag, we can create an HTML table. I have these are the tags. This is a table tag which is used to create a table or used to define a table, and TR stands for table row. This TR tells the browser to give a row in the table, and this is called table header. And for every table there will be a heading row, and that should be in little bit different to the table data. So the TD stands for table data or content of the table. So if you go to the program of the table in HTML, this is the basic program. I have already written table open, table close, and TR stands for table row. I am going to create now 2 by 2 table. 2 by 2 in the sense first 2 stands for rows and second 2 stands for columns. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 table. And here this is called, these two is called rows and these two are called as columns. So I am creating now 2 rows and 2 columns, means totally 4 cells. Here I am deleting this one and deleting this one. First, I have created a table in which I have created a TR and TR closing. Means now a table has one row. In that one row, I am creating first column. So TH open. I am writing it as serial number. TH close. And another column, PH open, its name, TH close. Now I will save this program and we'll see the output on the browser. I am saving it in desktop with the name table.html. Save this one. Saved it. Go into desktop. We have a table program here. Open with Google Chrome. Now we have a table, but there is no border for the table. So we can give a border for the table. That border is an attribute that we should give in the top level beside of the table tag. Border equal to 1. save it, come to browser, refresh it. Now we got a border for two cells. This is first column and this is second column. Now if you want to put or insert another row, I'm just copying TR. TR stands for row, so another row. Here instead of TH I am using TD. For every table, the first row usually we take it as a heading row or header row, so that we will put in table heading for to show that in bold letters or to discriminate it with the normal data in the table. Now I am giving it as 1 and name as Anil. Saving. See, now we got. See this S number. So let me put this table align at center, so that align. I am aligning this table at center. I am using an attribute align equal center. Now it is in center, and I would like to put it a little bit down. So I am using some break tag. Three breaks I have used it here. Now if we closely observe, I am inserting another row. This is 2, this is so many. Save this file, refresh it. Now see, the top row is called table header. Now that is in bold letters, and the below rows are called table data rows. Those are normal rows, so that are unbold. So to represent a header row, we use th tag. To represent a header row, we use th tag. This is header row, and these two are the below rows, which contains data. And th stands for table header and td stands for table data. Now also we can give width for the table by using width attribute. Width equals to 200. Now in this way we can give width to a table, and we can also align the content of the cell to left or right or in center by using align attributes. Now here if we observe, serial number and name are aligned at center and the table data are aligned at left. So I want to align this table data also to center, so I use table data align equal to center. I will copy this text, Control C, I will paste in all the TDs. Now these texts are also aligned at center, and in the same way we can give background for this one, like bg color equal to lime. I'll copy this one. We will save this one, and in the same way bg color for the heading also. If we consider it as yellow, see this this is the way we can give backgrounds to a table also. And we have so many attributes that we will be learning in next class. These are the basic concepts belongs to table attribute. Thanks for watching my video. Keep comments. Thank you. Bye bye.